بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين. The next hadith teaches us a dua which is very important. In Mafatihul Janan you find it in taqibat for every salat, whether it is Zohr or Asr or Maghrib, etc. And it is good for memory. So it is narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Ya Ali, إذا أردت أن تحفظ كل ما تسمع فقل في دبر كل صلاة سبحان من لا يعتدي إلى آخر الدعاء. O Ali, if you want to memorize, to remember everything that you hear, after each salat, say this dua. This is very good dua. And I first translate for you the dua, and then share with you some points that just recently came to my mind before the travel to South Africa. Alhamdulillah, one day some new points came to my mind about this dua. Subhana man la ya'tadi ala ahle mamlakatih. May he be glorified, the one who does not disregard the rights of any member of his kingdom. He would not do injustice to any member of his kingdom. Subhana man la yu'akhidhu ahla al-ardi bi'alwan al-'adab. May he be glorified who would not punish people of earth with different kinds of punishment. In some versions it says بألوان العذاب, here it's بأنواع العذاب, different colors, different types of adab. Subhan al-Ra'uf al-Rahim, may he be glorified who is very affectionate, very merciful. Allahumma ja'alli fi qalbi nuran wa basaran wa fahman wa ilma innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. Oh Allah, please put in my heart for me light, sight, understanding and knowledge. Truly you are capable over everything. Innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. So I was reading and memorizing this dua for many years, but I was not thinking and connecting different pieces of this dua and understanding the reason behind this sequence. Then I realized that this is actually a dua which has 3 levels. It goes higher and higher. So whenever there is a king, whenever there is a ruler, someone who has power, who is ruling, who is dominant, there is worry that, as they say, power corrupts. Maybe this person is going to do zulm to his subjects, to his citizens, to his people. There is worry. Not everyone is doing this, but unfortunately this is very common, that people who have power may do zulm. So first we say Allah is the one who does not do any zulm to people in his kingdom. Number 2, okay, he doesn't do zulm, but maybe He is someone who is very difficult when it comes to the people who disobey him, who rebel against him, people who commit crimes. So maybe he's very harsh with treating bad people. So we say, no, Allah is not even doing that. لا يؤاخذ أهل الأرض بأنواع العذاب or بألوان العذاب. He is not bringing people of earth to different kinds of punishment. First we say أهل مملكته, because his kingdom is more than earth. But it is only on the earth that Allah is disobeyed. Yes, maybe jinns do something, in other places, but that's not the main thing. The main crimes and sins take place on the earth. So we say, no, he is not even very harsh with criminals, with disobedient ones. Number 3, Subhan al-Ra'uf al-Rahim. He is the one that uses power and reach that he has to just give away love, support, care, affection. So as you see, there are 3 levels. First, denial of any injustice. 2, denial of harsh treatment of criminals. 3, he takes the initiative to show love and mercy. Then, Allahumma ij'alli fi qalbi nuran wa basaran wa fahman wa ilma. These 4 are also connected. First we say, please put light in my heart. If I have light, I can see. I can see the truth. If I can see the truth, then I can understand what is happening, what's the reality. And if I understand, then I have ilm, I have knowledge. So Nuran wa Basaran wa Fahman wa Ilma also has sequence. Innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. You are capable of everything. And there is nothing impossible for you, if it is possible in itself. Sometimes something in itself is contradictory, impossible, no. But anything which is possible, it's practical for him. He can do it. And there is nothing also difficult for him. Everything which is not impossible in itself doesn't have any problem. Allah can do it with ease. Okay, so inshallah, please try to memorize this dua and read after every salat. Inshallah, it helps with your memory.